He's still not aware that I'm right here fixing to shoot him. All right, everybody, y'all see this? All right, folks, we are back at the freshwater, and we're gonna try to shoot some tilapia today from a kayak. I've never tried shooting my bow from the kayak before, but I think it's doable. My buddy said there's 20 tilapia bed here around his shoreline, and he wanted us to come shoot some of them, so we're gonna give it a little go here and see. Hopefully we can put a few in the cooler here and get y'all some content. All right, we got tilapia everywhere out here. Landon's already trying his best. They're just hanging out in this grass. You'll get, the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it. Oh yeah, anybody that knows. Oh, here's some big ones right here too. Man, they're just everywhere right here. They're deeper than what they look too. Here's a big fat one right there. I'm gonna try. Oh, I just went right over his back. Yeah, Bed City right here, Landon. Yes. Yes. Shit. They saw me already though, that's the problem. Okay. I just shot one. Of course, my GoPro's overheating. He's got my line all wrapped up around this lily pad too. Oh, come here, baby. I don't got him real good. Look here, Landon. Look here. Woohoo! Golly, he's a fat one. I'm gonna need help putting him in the cooler, bud. Think you can come help me? I just need you to get... Oh, look at this sucker, folks. God dang, he's gotta be 6, maybe 7 pounds. That is a fat fish. Yeah, that should help a little bit. Yeah, I guess just take the whole lid off. Might be easier to throw him in there that way. Take that bag of ice out too. And whenever I get him in there, hold that. Let me get a chance. Don't pull away here. Trying to get my GoPro facing back that way. You're good. All right, here we go. You ready? Yep. When I drop him in there, he's gonna go crazy. There. I'll close her up.
You better hope they don't flop around and fucking flip you off your boat.
No. I don't think we need to strap it, do you? Put one over just to keep it half-assed in there. Nice.
My turn.
Thanks for the help, bud. Hang on, I'm coming your way. Give me a sec. Here, I got you.
I don't want to let him go because he down there flipped my fucking bow out the boat.
Let's see here. Yeah, he's a big boy. We got some fillets on him. Hang on. Let me grab a hold of him here.
Yep.
Just twist it loose, and then yank.
Well, it's just...
There you go. Jerk on it. I can't hold him. You got to put both feet on him. Get him in front of you with both your feet. One on the front. There you go. All right. Fuck. No. Hold him down. Spin you.
Golly, that hurt.
Where'd he get you, in the shin?
On the shin, on my other shin. You're right. As long as we get him in the cooler, I ain't gonna be mad.
Right?
Just hold on to him real good.
He jabbed you, didn't he? He said, man, what do you think that arrow feels like?
Got the arrow for a reason.
He's trying to get away, bro. He don't. Oh, he just about jumped out.
No, buddy.
He is still really green. I hope I'm filming all this. I am.
God damn.
It's hard, folks, and it's hard in the kayaks, folks. Try to. Here, let me.
I got him double fisted now. You ready?
Go in there really quick. Get his tail in there.
Yeah. No, flip again.
Yeah, don't let him flip.
I got him pinched real tight. You ain't going over.
Just get his tail in there. Get his head in there. He's ours now. Well, thank God you got one.
Shit all over me. I'm fine. Hey, I'm happy
now.
I can take I can take getting fucking covered in blood and guts and getting cut up as long as I get the damn in the boat and
makes it worthwhile. Shit, I'm about to tip over here.
Well, I got him just barely in his back is all it was. That's the only reason
I was worried I was gonna lose mine because mine didn't come out the other side. It was just stuck in him. He's not aware that I'm gonna kill him. Still. He's still not aware that I'm right here fixing to shoot him. All right, everybody, y'all see this? Oh, I got him. Oh, I bounced it off of him. How did that not go through him? All right, folks. That's all we can handle for one day. We shot and we shot and we shot, but hey, well, at least we each got one. So it made it all worthwhile. Yeah, look, he's still breathing. I want him on that side. I want this one on this side, just like that, I believe. Freaking handful, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. Especially when they're alive.
Yeah, I'd say this one is a
little bit bigger.
2 or 3 inches longer.
Probably a lot wider. Turn them around. Yeah, back to back. Yeah, look how much wider. Golly.
That's gonna be dinner, folks, here in just a little bit. It was just swimming about an hour ago. It'll be in the grill in about an hour. Okay, we got to debone our tilapia. Chop up some broccoli and stuff. It'll just take a second. I'll take them. Get them bones out. And we're going to take this bloodline out too. Nobody wants to eat that. Just like so. Look at the size of that freaking fillet. That is a big, giant fillet of meat. Take those pin bones out. Let's take that bloodline out. Okay, so there's our whole plate of fillets. All cleaned up. Got the bloodline out. We're gonna save some of this for the kitties. They kind of like that. But yep, this is gonna get seasoned up with some garlic salt, lemon pepper, some Kerrygold Irish garlic herb butter, and go on the smoker. A little garlic salt, lemon pepper. Smoke them for about an hour, hour and a half. Okay, I think it's about time to take it off. Alright, here it comes. It looks amazing. I do have to say, it looks really good. Put a little fresh deal out of the garden on top of it. Look at that.
Fall apart.
Fall apart, flaky, delicious.
Can't even get a bite.
How good is it though? How good is it?
There, it was good.
Just get a little bit of it with some rice, some broccoli and cheese. Mmm. That was so good. I don't care what anybody says. That is slap your mama good.